equals cat equals fart. Now that's very disgusting. Now, I don't know what you guys want me to think about. I know about this film before. So, why not we add it to it, alright? Why not we add it to it and see what in the world's gonna happen? It's gonna be a lot of farting. It's called Cats and Dogs We Had to Fart Compilation by Cotton Candy. Now, I remember this film before and it was so hilarious, so why not watch it with us? Come on. What the frick? Dogs equals cat. Let's go. And once you boil out your swag, where we at? We at the 2 dogs versus cat farts compilation. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh god, that face.
Out of the box. Out of the box.
Out of the box.
Oh no. What the freak? Really? Oh
Dozer, is your
no.
butt making funny sounds? Dozer, is it going? Is it going? Are you running away from your butt?
What the freak? Ew.
Angelina, what are you doing? You have to videotape this.
Oh no. Oh, I remember that one. We were the black dog. I can't. Oh no.
She's going through chemo right now, and
Why did you do that, you piece of crap? Oh god, that was just hilarious. Oh man, it's just fucking hilarious. Oh man. I'm sorry guys, this was freaking hilarious, my butt. Anyways, that was it. Cats and dogs, we had to watch Compilation. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe and post the bell if you don't miss a single upload. I will see you guys tomorrow if there's a new SMG4 fee or not. No, not SMG4. New SML, I mean. Like, new SML movie. SMG4 will be back on Saturday, so yeah. As I want to say, I hope you have a good night. So you want to see more, comment below and subscribe if new and post the bell. You don't miss a single upload. Those dogs and cats finding those faces, those eyes. I mean, goodness gracious. Anyway, guys, I will see you guys next video. So comment below and subscribe new and post the bell. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. I will see you guys later. Loud your swaggle. Peace out, people. Yeah, I'm out of here. Peace out, people. See ya.